Hey, what's going on? Tony here from Learn Auto Body and Paint. Hope all is well. Just doing a quick live stream really quickly here. I know a lot of you guys are probably at work, but just wanted to give you a quick update. We are going live again tonight, 8 p.m. Central Time, 9 p.m. Eastern, and I'll be showing you all the materials that I just bought and the plan and what we're going to be doing with the project. So I'm actually on the way right now to go buy some paint, and I just wanted to say what's up. How's everybody doing? And I'm on YouTube Live, so the chats come in very, very quickly. And if you guys type in "what's up, Danny D," if you guys type in long stuff, like, it disappears quickly and hard to see. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Can you guys hear me okay? And I still haven't gotten a stand for this stupid thing in my truck. Been super busy. What's up, Charles? Super busy with a lot of things, so many things, in business and in life and all of that, and I haven't been getting on as much as I wanted to with the YouTube live streams. What's up, Donique, Danny D, Antonio? So yes, I will be back on tonight, 8 p.m. Central. If you guys want to jump back on, I'll show you all of the paint that I bought and the plan. We're gonna get cranking on this project very, very soon. So give a quick thumbs up, and yeah, awesome. I am in Dallas, so this is what it looks like here in Dallas. Actually in North Dallas right now. Driving to go pick up some paint. So thanks guys for getting on. You guys rock. How many new people on? First timers on live? Type in first timer. Kind of curious if there's any newbies on here. First timer watching the live stream here. That'd be awesome. I'm painting a mini truck project. We're gonna get cranking on it very soon. I'm buying the paint. We're gonna start the body work probably this weekend. First timer, VIP member here. Awesome. You guys rock. Hold on a second. I have to come to a stop. Okay, so somebody said something about blending. I missed it. I just saw the final last bits of it. If you guys want to type that in again or copy and paste it. I'm just waiting for that comment. If you guys have any other questions, let me know. I'm just in the truck going to go get some paint, and I will be filming at the location, so I'm not sure if she wants me to just YouTube live there, if she's comfortable with that, or I'll just do like video at the store and then I'll make that a rendered upload later. For the new guys, this is the guy to learn from. Thanks, buddy. Albuquerque, New Mexico. That's awesome. I was there not too long ago. Actually, maybe 5 months ago, I was in Albuquerque myself. It's probably hot as hell right now. I have to do some small work on my 18-wheeler. Nice. How do you become VIP? Well, check out learnautobodyandpaint.com, and you just click on VIP. You can learn more about that. All right, I got to turn here. Hold on, guys. I just got to make a quick turn. Don't YouTube live and drive. So, what's everybody doing? Everybody working? You guys at work? You at home? You done with work? What's the story? Hold on, I gotta turn again. Currently watching your videos to paint my Z28. Awesome. Off today. Gym. You guys are crazy. You guys are all over the place doing all kinds of things. Work from home. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So yeah, I am about to go get off in just a bit. My turn is around the corner. I'll buy some paint up, and tonight I'll be back on in a few hours, 8 p.m. Central, and I will show you what I got in the project that we're working on, and I will see you guys later. All right? Eating lunch with the kids. So see you guys later. I'll be back on later, guys. Have a great day. Cheers, cheers.